Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to connect YouTube TV to your TV or Smart TV. To connect your YouTube TV to your TV or Smart TV, start by downloading the YouTube TV app to your Smart TV or streaming device. If it's not pre-installed, go to the App Store on your TV to download it. Now make sure you're searching for YouTube TV in the App Store, as it is different from the regular YouTube app. You can also cast or stream YouTube TV from a mobile device or a computer to your TV. On some devices, you may be able to access YouTube TV directly from the YouTube app. To do this, first, make sure the YouTube app is installed on your device. Then open the app, scroll to the bottom of the left navigation, and select YouTube TV. If it's your first time, you will need to sign in to YouTube TV. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.